Gemini gems are basically mini AIs that you build yourself once you want to do a specific job over and over multiple times. Getting to gems is really easy. You're going to go from gemini.google.com, and here on the left hand side you have gems right here. If sometimes when you get to the interface you don't see it, it's because it's basically just hidden. So you come here to the burger at the top left, basically the 3 lines, you click on it and gems is going to be right here. All right, so there are already some pre-made gems here that you can explore, and the gems that you create yourself, they start getting saved down here. So this is one gem that I had created in the past. Now to create a brand new one, we're just gonna come here and click on new gem. If it's the first time you're doing this, you might be taken through some just login screen, but eventually you will get here. All right, so the one that we are going to create today is called the Text Polisher. And what we're going to build is the simplest, most useful gem possible. We are going to ask it to, every time I drop in a text, I want it to clean up, and I want it to give me 2 different versions of the text that I drop in. I want one that is professional and one that is friendly and casual. And you see, this is very easy to understand how gems work, because this is basically a prompt that you could enter yourself. So you can just go easily to gemini.google.com and enter the prompt yourself. However, if you find that this is something that you do often, then you just create a gem and you don't have to prompt Gemini, because Gemini already knows what you want to do. So basically it's a pre-saved prompt. All right, so here's the instruction. I have it already ready, so I'm just going to copy and paste. You are an expert editor. Your task is to take any text I paste here and rewrite it to be professional, clear, and concise. Don't change the meaning, just fix the flow and grammar. Always give me 2 versions, one professional and one friendly and casual. Okay, so this is the prompt that I want Gemini to save and make it into a gem. I'm just gonna submit it here. And you can see that now it is creating the gem, so it might take a minute. All right, so this is our gem. It has the original prompt in here, okay? And it has the steps. So 1, it gets the original text that you drop in. Second one generates a professional text. Third one generates a friendly text, and then it generates an output. So this is basically what our gem is going to do. If you want to edit the steps, or if you wanted to add the original prompt, you could just do it here. We have no need to edit, that's all we wanted. So now let's click on Start. And here is where you can submit any text for the gem to our tone tuner to correct. Okay, so I have an email that I had written to a colleague. It's about some deadline that we had agreed. I'm not sure we can make it, so I'm asking to move the deadline to Friday. Okay, so I wrote it like very quickly. There might be some typos, there might be some grammar mistakes, and the tone might not be ideal. So I just dropped it in here, and then I'm going to submit it. And you can see it's generating both the professional and the friendly text. And now you can see the text tone comparison. You can see the original is here. Then it did a professional version regarding our earlier discussion. I anticipate difficulty meeting the current deadline for my project contribution. I propose extending the deadline Friday. This is very good. And then the next one is more friendly. So it's like, hey there, I was just thinking about our chat from earlier. So you see, it's different tones, same message. Did not change what we are saying, it just changed the tone, and you can pick whichever you prefer. So the fun thing, the great thing is that now this is always going to be saved here in your gems. Okay, so if you come here, I clicked here on the left on gems, you can see that our tone toner is saved in here, so whenever you need to use it, you just click on it and you just click on start and you start typing whatever it is that you want to do. So it's just to give you an idea. You could do, you know, the ideas for the gems you could be creating are endless. And the fun thing is that you can also ask Gemini to help you create the instructions for the gem. So just think through, okay, what is something that I do on a recurrent basis, something that I do very often that I would need a gem for. So, or maybe something that you don't do that often, but the prompt is very complex. So you can get Gemini to help you write the prompt, and then you can come here to gems and you can turn it into a gem. So you don't have to be rewriting that prompt every time you need it.